Push-up movement is one of the most popular sports equipment versus equipment that involves a lot of muscles in the body. All this has caused many people to confuse these movements. Hello everyone, my name is Leo and welcome back to the new how-to channel. In this channel we make videos in style and how to style without waiting time. Let's go to the video. Today's topic: how to do push-ups perfectly. Number 1. Start in a height plank position. To get into a plank, place hands firmly on the floor, directly under shoulders. Ground toes into the floor to stabilize your lower half. Brace core, tighten up as is preparing to take a punch. Engage glutes and hamstring and flatten your back so your entire body is neutral and straight. Number 2. Lower your body. Keep back flat and eyes focused about 3 feet in front of you. Maintain a neutral neck and lower your body until chest grazes the floor. Don't let your butt dip or stick out at any point during the move. Your body should stay in a straight line from head to toe. Draw shoulder blades back and down, keeping elbow tucked close to your body. Number 3. Push back up. Keeping core engaged. Exhale as you push back to a starting position. Pro tip: imagine you're screwing your hand into the floor as you push back up. Repeat for 10 or 20 reps or as many as you can. Do with a good form.
Thank you for watching.